think magkaya ra sa budget today. Te, available pa rin snake plant? Why discount?
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
What's up guys? How are you today? Ako today sa Ayala kay nakoy tanaw and I'm very much excited to find this item. Dili di siya mong tuyo dire but I was able to had a chance to pass by this area sa Ayala. So I think last year we discussed about I shared to you my day adventure finding the plant for my room, and I'm very happy to find a nook just down there, mga indoor plants, and so I'm excited to find out kung sa ilang mga variety of plants that we can integrate or add sa atong collection. I'm not sure if it's a collection, but I'm starting to love putting indoor plants sa akong room. And so we're going down that way sa Ubos kay I think kasi kung affordable ra ilang plants, then I guess I might get one today. So yeah. Okay, so we're approaching the booth and we'll see what's available na plants. I've been looking for a snake plant based on the articles that I've read. It helps, remove toxins sa young environment. So we'll see kung sa'yo ng adere. And right here, this part, so that's like cactus and some other indoor plants. I'll show you the variants. Okay, so one lang available plants. There are smaller. Look, this one is only for 50 pesos and it looks cute. And nasa sila yung mga variety of succulents. And ano siya, dako-dako nga cactus is for 500. And I'm actually attracted to this one. It looks nice, right? It's only for how much? 150. So it's pretty cute. The pot is plastic. We'll see say available. Ooh. This is what I've been looking for, a snake plant. And it's only for 300 and dako na siya. I mean, daghan na siya o stems or leaves. So I think magkaya ra sa budget today. Te, available pa rin snake plant? Why discount?
Kabaw pa sir no, ang iyahang pula, ang nakamahal rin anak sila, ang iyang sulanan. Kaya ano ko na doon, kanang itag-Thailand ang sulanan pa.
Mo ba?
Mahong rin na sir no, marami kayo ng kanang snake plant na, kanang sa kadaghan niya.
Lagi kay labong mong god.
Lagi labong, yung presyo niya. Baka ang sulanan pa lang anak daan sir.
Mo di ay.
Ako magpaligid pang Pacquiao ba, pang Thailand.
Mm.
Pang indoor, mag siya. Sa
Oo.
nakaputi yan sa Blanyan.
Bitaw.
Yan, nalagay ko ng uwi. Ang 300 ano
Akong kwaon te. Nakay, what? Sulanan, plastic? Or... So guys, I decided to buy this one. Okay, medyo kaya ra mas budget. And yeah, it's indoor. You see, medyo labong na gyud. Unlike other mga plants or kanang mga potted nga snake plant na nipis. So I think it's worth it. And indoors na din sila tanan te. Nice guy.
Kuan na sir, naka-raised bed din na siya sa bukid ba. Wala din siya ano. Lagi taksa ang kanang dahon.
Bitaw. Nya kapila man na sa siya bubuan te.
Kani, pwede rin ito sa kasimana sir.
Mm.
Butang lang mo siya bright, bright. Versatility. Kani kay siya sa kaya ang area. Hindi mo na gali siya pahayagan. Puti din ang area lang yun na like kung mag-water ka no, that's time na lang sa pagawas mo siya. Butang mo siya area mahayag kaayo pero ayaw na siya butang na mainitan siya.
Adi siya direct sunlight.
Ay, mao na siya mga sunog ang kuan. Do kani siya kung i-acclimatize ninyo, pwede ninyo siya makasustain din ng direct sunlight. Pero kung maanag na siya sige sa sulod, once mo siya butang sa gawas and then pakalitan mo siya, so mo siya pakalitan tanan. So since most of the time inside na siya, so the moment ipagawas nimo siya, dapat bright light lang. Walay direct contact with the sunlight para dili siya masunog.
Bitaw. Sige te, thank you for that tip.
Once a week lang yung water kay dako ka man yung sudlanan.
Okay. Ate. So guys, I've just paid for our little plant today. So sa katong giingon ni ate, bili siya pakalitan. Kasi kay guys, I didn't realize na the other rear camera he used ganiha, but yeah, I got my plant and I'm so happy. So I'll show you the pictures later on. Asa na po na siya bata pangitaan natin ni kaagi. So I think that's it for today, and thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace out.